Hi beautiful people, welcome back again to my channel. It's your girl MaJEmmieGold. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how I make this delicious spinach soup. Here are the list of ingredients I used: onion, finely diced grilled mackerel fish, goat meat cleaned, pepper mix, 2 sachets of spinach, bouillon cubes, palm oil, salt, and thyme. The list of ingredients will be in the description box below. So first of all, I boil my goat meat. Now I add my onions. Then I proceed to add my Maggi cubes, my thyme, and I also added water. So guys, we all know goat meat takes time to boil. So you can add any spice of your choice. You can add ginger, you can add garlic, whatever that suits your taste. So I added salt and I let it boil for 1 hour. I let it boil till the water is almost dry. So the next thing I'll be doing is to blend my pepper. I have 3 Scotch Bonnet in there. Guys, I love pepper so much. I have 3 Scotch Bonnet. I have a big sized onion and my tomato. I'm using tin tomato, the short one, and I also have about 6 big sweet pepper in there. So the next thing I did was to add my pepper mix and the tomato and a little water into my blender. Guys, I didn't add much water. I added a little bit of water. Then after boiling the first round, I added another pepper again. I didn't put water. I added another pepper again. So guys, because of my kids, I make sure the pepper is well blended. But if you don't want your pepper to be well blended, you can do it anyhow you like. But my kid will not eat it if they see any sign of pepper in there. So that is my goat meat boiling. I let that goat meat boil for almost an hour. So the next thing I did was to add my palm oil into my pot. Then I added an onion. Then I let the onion fry for at least 3 minutes till it is translucent. Then I went ahead to add my pepper mix. So guys, that is my pepper mix. I let it boil for at least 10 minutes till the water is dry. Then I went ahead to add my spinach. I used 2 sachets of spinach. I went ahead to add my spinach. Then I stir it all together and I leave it to boil. This is my goat meat after about an hour plus. As you guys can see, the water in it is almost dried up and it is so soft. Very, very soft. So guys, this is the spinach and the pepper mix up after about 15 minutes. So the next thing I did was to add my goat meat and the goat meat stock into it. Guys, you don't have to put Maggi or salt yet. You have to wait till you add your goat meat or chicken or whatever you are using. You have to add it first, then you can taste it if it needs salt or Maggi.